Hi, and welcome to this next video. In this video, what I'd like to be able to do is show you how you can take the information from your class roster and use it to enroll your students into your Blackboard course. So the first thing that you need to do is have your Blackboard course open, then have two files open, Excel files. You need to have your class roster open. Then you also need to have the Blackboard Bulk Enroll Tool. Now, some of you may recognize this from Nelson Allward's Level 1 Blackboard course. I do want to thank Ronald Broad, instructor from the Moncton campus, for allowing me to use this. I find this an excellent tool for enrolling your students in Blackboard. So first thing we need to do is go to your class roster. Now, we use the student ID numbers to enroll them in the Blackboard course. So from the class roster, you need to select all your students' ID numbers. So I'm just going to click and drag to select these ID numbers, do a right click on my selection, and do a left click on copy. Now I need to go to that bulk enroll tool, the other spreadsheet, and right here under step 1, as Ronald has indicated, I do a right click and paste, and it's going to auto populate here. Now I need to copy the contents of this cell. So I can do a right click, copy. Now I need to go to find my Blackboard course. Going down the left hand side under users and groups, I need to do a left click on users. I need to find users to enroll. I do a left click. And in the username, I'm going to do one left click. Now you can either use Control V or you can do your right click and paste. Don't worry about these commas. Blackboard will see them as empty or blanks. I'm just going to hit the home key on my keyboard to show there are the student ID numbers. Now you do a left click on submit and your students will be enrolled. Thank you.